In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get up to $1,500 in ad credit for free from TikTok, which means you can then use this ad credit to run ads to various affiliate offers and even sell digital products on TikTok. And so this ad credit will be added directly into your ads account, which means TikTok only give this ad credit to those who are qualified and eligible. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to qualify and how to get these free ad credits in your TikTok account. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So moving on to today's video, I personally run a lot of ads on TikTok. So this is how I got to know about this offer. Okay, because usually from time to time, TikTok promote exclusive offers to their advertisers. So as you can see on this email right here, TikTok sent me this offer, which says if you spend $100, you're going to get free $100 back in ads credits. And if you also spend $500, you're going to also get $500 back in ad credits. And if you spend $1,500, you will get free $1,500 in ads credit. So all you need to do is to click on the claim button and you activate that offer. So what this means is if you spend $100 in the course of the next 30 days, you're going to get free $100 in ad credit back within 7 days from TikTok. And that applies to if you spend $500 or $1,500 as well. And also keep in mind, you can only do this once per TikTok business account. And don't worry, I am going to share the link in the description of this video. So now, how do you qualify for this offer? So according to TikTok, only 3 categories of people are qualified for this offer. The first category are potential new advertisers, which means those who have never signed up for TikTok ads account. So if you are in this category, then you are qualified for this offer. And the second category of people are those who have created TikTok ads account, but they've never spent any money on that account. And the last category of people who are qualified for this offer are those who have created TikTok ads account. They've spent some money, but they haven't spent any money in the last 90 days. So these are the 3 categories of people who are qualified for this offer. And I'm sure everyone watching this video right now is in one of these categories. So all you need to do is to click on the link in the description. So if you click on the link in the description, it's going to bring you to this page depending on your region. So as you can see, this particular link right here is for those who are going to be spending money in USD. And now for this link right here, this is for those who are going to be spending in pounds. And as you can see right here, if you spend 80 pounds, you're going to get 80 pounds back. And also for this link right here, this is for those who are going to be spending Australian dollars, as you can see right here. And finally, this is for those who are going to be spending Canadian dollars, or if you are from Canada. All right. So basically, I'm going to leave this link in the description, and all you need to do is to click on any of this link depending on the region and the currency you intend to spend on TikTok. So if you do that, all you need to do is to then click on get started. So once you do that, you only need to enter your basic information right here, which is your email address, your password to create an account. So once you do that and click on continue, your account will be created right away. And you want to make sure to spend either $100, $500 or $1,500 in the next 30 days. So once you do this, you're going to get this free ads credit back. So you want to take advantage of this offer and start making money with TikTok traffic.